Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. And this time we're taking you out to the November Sunday Pitstop Cruise-In at the Orange Park Mall. And this is Scootervision. The show was a little light this month. Not as many cars there. Of course, that may have been because they took last month off and they're taking next month off too. But anyway, it was still a good show. Still quite a few cars there. So I took lots of video, took lots of pictures, and I hope you guys enjoy. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Well guys, it's kind of dead out here today. We got about 15 cars showed up. A couple have left by now. But oh wait a minute, looks like we might have some Jeeps showing up. Just a couple. But anyway, this one's kind of dead. I don't know how long I'm going to stick around. Not much longer, I don't think. So, you win some, you lose some.
If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.